Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to view a Mermaid chart. So if someone emailed you a block of Mermaid code or you found one in a documentation file, use a web browser to view it instantly. So go to mermaid.ai and right here we can do that. So new diagram like so, and here you can paste Mermaid code. You will put it right here and you will get uh, basically the chart from that code. So let's try this right now. So I have here a short code like that, and what we can do now, just send it, and here it is. So if you get the code, just paste it in, and you will get here the chart uh, of from this code. And this is pretty simple, I think, to do. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.